Welcome back to Home Lifestyle and Decor. There's nothing like a well-curated display of potted plants. In today's video, admire the beauty of artful plant displays and get some ideas to create your own. Mixing more than one type of potted plant in a container creates a lush mini landscape with a variety of colors. Mixed planters may look expensive and difficult to recreate and care for, but the same simple care tips you apply to single plant containers also apply to mixed plant containers. In the first display, I have used oyster plant, which is also known as mosses in the cradle plant, a small snake plant and a jade plant. Place the small pot horizontally to give the look of a flower pot. Arrange the plants to create the look of a flower arrangement. And fill the remaining space with white pebbles. All three plants are easy to maintain, making the arrangement just perfect for desks or tabletops. For the next arrangement, need to have at least one tall focal point plant, some fillers and spillers that spills over the side of the container to soften the lines. The first things to consider while selecting the plants are balance and contrast. Of course, the secret to success with mixed plants in a single pot is that the plants have to be compatible with similar or identical needs. For this arrangement, I'll place Yucca palm lily at the center of the large container with drainage holes at the bottom. We'll add 3 to 4 flowering plants, for which I have selected dianthus. For some drama and impact, I'll go for contrast while selecting the spillers. I'll plant the purple wandering geode at the outer edges of the container so they can trail down the sides as they grow. We'll position this planter as a focal point in my terrace garden and water regularly for a gorgeous, easy to maintain display. For the third one, I need to plant yellow flowering vine. Instead of just putting the creeper in a pot, I have tried to create a spillover impact using this small pot. To add some more drama, we'll place another pot with the small pebbles and one more with the crow on it trying to drink some water in this hot summer. Hope you like the simple but beautiful plant arrangements. Check out the section of garden decor on my channel to look for more ideas and then let them inspire you as you plan your own garden. Thank you.